Every year, millions of students compete for a fraction of a percent of available seats in Indian competitive exams. Traditional coaching relies on a rigid pace. If you miss a week of classes, the syllabus moves on, and you are left struggling to catch up. You are expected to absorb and memorize a massive, unedited amount of information. Artificial intelligence tools have entered the preparation landscape, and they are breaking that rigid model by adjusting to your specific learning speed. Brute force studying 14 hours a day is no longer the differentiator. Securing a rank now requires a hyper-efficient, personalized strategy. You have likely seen the marketing, promises that a new app will somehow crack the exam for you while you sleep. Using these tools to bypass actually reading your textbooks is a fatal error. Large language models hallucinate facts, and relying on them for raw knowledge will destroy your test scores. The real value of these systems lies in their ability to act as hyper-personalized, adaptive diagnostic coaches. We are going to cut through the marketing noise and map out the exact high return on investment tool stacks required for different exam formats. Applying a generic chatbot to your preparation is a mistake. You must match the specific architecture of the tool to the unique demands of your exam. Most preparation journeys begin with drafting an ambitious 12-hour manual timetable. Within 3 days, a single unexpected delay breaks the entire schedule, leading to anxiety and abandoned plans. AI study planners solve this by dynamically adjusting your schedule. If you fall behind on physics, the system automatically recalibrates your upcoming blocks to ensure you balance all your subjects. To make this work, you have to upload your exact syllabus constraints and rigorously log your daily progress into the app. Direct. Here's the trade-off. If you lie to the planner about completing a chapter, the algorithm generates a mathematically useless schedule. By adopting an adaptive planner, you stop acting as the stressed manager of your own time. You become the absolute executor of an optimized plan. Let's look at objective exams like JEE and NEET. Success here requires rapid-fire accuracy and stress management under strict timed conditions. Upload a photo of a complex calculus or physics problem, and a tool instantly generates a step-by-step resolution. But reading that solution without the productive struggle is dangerous. It builds a false confidence that collapses during the test. The most powerful feature for objective exams is actually behavioral mock test diagnostics. This dashboard compares two metrics. It categorizes your wrong answers, pinpointing exactly how many marks you lost specifically to second-guessing yourself, versus actual gaps in your concept knowledge. To get this insight, you have to endure a full, grueling 180-question mock test under realistic pressure, so the system has enough behavioral data to analyze. The software then uses that data to create a targeted daily mission. Instead of blindly rereading a textbook, your task is to fix specific behavioral leaks. When you address pacing issues and false confidence, your score can jump significantly in just a few test cycles. For objective exams, the highest value of an AI is never providing the right answer. It is ruthlessly diagnosing why you chose the wrong one. UPSC preparation carries an entirely different demand. You have to synthesize massive amounts of qualitative data into subjective essays. For current affairs, you can use these models to condense hours of reading across multiple news sources into a single structured 5-minute brief. This side-by-side comparison shows the critical flaw of this method. On the left is an AI-generated summary, but the arrows point to factual errors and incorrect legal precedents, corrected by the verified primary source document on the right. To survive the exam, you still have to manually cross-reference those summaries with authentic standard books. Where these tools excel is in answer evaluation, replacing the week-long wait for traditional coaching feedback. You upload a handwritten essay, and within 60 seconds, you receive a scorecard analyzing your structure, flow, and highlighting missing keywords. Because these platforms evaluate using pattern recognition, they cannot judge true semantic brilliance or the originality of your argument. If you over-rely on this automated feedback, you train yourself to write highly formulaic, robotic essays. Human examiners easily spot and penalize that exact style. These platforms are exceptional structural assistants for organizing your thoughts. But they cannot replace the critical thinking required for elite answer writing. This matrix maps out how to align your specific preparation bottleneck to the correct tool stack. If you are an overwhelmed beginner, restrict your use to macro organization and basic concept simplification. The absolute rule for this stage: do not use a chatbot to skip reading your foundational NCRT textbooks. Next is the plateaued optimizer. You are studying 12 hours a day, but remain stuck at a specific mock test score. Stop reading new content. Shift your focus entirely to behavioral diagnostics to patch the specific leaks draining your points. Misidentifying your current stage of preparation is the fastest way to waste the leverage these platforms provide. If you are budget conscious, ignore the myth that you must spend 2 lakh rupees on a premium coaching institute to succeed. You can build a formidable preparation system by combining the free tiers of high-return AI tools with government-backed educational initiatives. Always use verified, official sources to ground any automated research. Ultimately, an algorithm is merely a mirror reflecting your weaknesses at an accelerated rate. It is not a substitute for discipline. The sheer intellectual effort required to clear these exams remains unyielding, regardless of the tools you use. An optimized preparation stack ensures you are climbing the right mountain. The grueling steps to the summit are entirely your own.